You say you want to succeed, but every time it's time to study, you scroll. Every time you sit down, your brain screams, later. You think it's motivation you lack? No, it's discipline. And no one's going to give it to you. Your parents? They already sacrificed their peace just to get you here. Your friends? They don't care if you fail, they'll just move on. And life? It doesn't owe you a damn thing. You either get serious or you get left behind. You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I'm just tired today. But guess what? Tomorrow is already full of people who didn't start yesterday, and you're one of them. That exam you're scared of, that dream you're chasing, it's not waiting. There's someone out there dumber than you, with worse resources, who's still going to beat you, because they stopped making excuses. You don't need a better planner. You don't need prettier notes. You need a backbone. You don't get to scroll for hours and then cry when your grades fall. You don't get to waste weeks and panic 2 days before the exam. You want results? Then earn them. Every day you avoid the work, you're feeding your failure. And every time you say, just 5 more minutes, you're letting the weaker version of you win. But here's the truth, no one told you. Studying won't kill you. Laziness will. Comfort is the cage. Discipline is the key. And no, it won't be easy. But that's exactly why it matters. You want a future worth fighting for? Then stop running from discomfort. Grab your notes, lock your damn phone away, and sit down like your life depends on it. Because it does. You've wasted enough time. This is your reset button. Now earn your success. No mercy, no distractions, no excuses.